group actually killed a buffalo three or 4 days ago. So another 2 kills now. Yeah, not going hungry at all. Going to greet the male first. Make sure that he'll let them eat.
It's a very black male.
Yeah, this is the one we didn't see with the males the other morning.
Look how dirty they are, eh?
Yeah, they've been right inside that carcass, these little ones. They're small enough to fit inside. They're about a year old, these cubs, so we'll give or take a few weeks. Born around Christmas last year.
Look at the one that's trying to chew on the one. Can you hear it?
I don't mind, Fred. No worries.
And the other is the one which are on the other side. Over there, they eat it.
No changes.
Uh-huh.
And Rob is in there. And then the Mackenzie vehicle is still full up for summer.
It's pulling again.
Making away. Have that 3, please, it's late. Matt, you covered? I copied you there, Blaine. No worries, you've got that too. Relax.
Drinking the blood off the ground.
Somebody off my vehicle for a quick comfort stop off
They go straight to the tummy.
That's where all the soft meat is.
Yeah.
You get in there, get the fillet out the middle. Internal organs are also full of nutrition, the lungs, the liver, the heart. Eat all that first. You can see they've obviously got rid of the stomach.
I don't see any marks on the neck when they put him down. Can you see anything?
The skin's so more attention to that than they do to our vehicles. It's amazing.
Oh, whose vehicle is it that they don't like?
That's the fence patrol.
Ah, fence patrol. Yeah. Look at them, right? Very.
There's 3 other vehicles parked right next to them and they don't look at those. All to do with what they're used to.
sorry, Georgie, I got Mac. I didn't get you there. Thank you. I'll wait for this.
He's interested in mating, she's not.